Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with inspiring inputs. Arise and shine thy light. To enter your true self, check your ego at the door. You cannot fix what you will not face. If you do not change, you can become extinct. I find myself in the moment of solitude. I need time every day to think. Most people think of poise as calm, self-assured dignity, but I call it just being you. The peak of happiness is attained when a person has accepted to be what he is. A human being is never what he is, but the self he seeks. It is better to focus on the mission than to earn money. He sustains my spirit. The Lord God is my strength. All good things spring from self-love. The cause of all sins in every case lies in the person's excessive love of self. Weariness comes on some days from lack of service to self. I want to be a well-rounded human being with none of these naughty lumps of rage and guilt and self-disgust. Patience is the inclination to control the racing mind, which wants to jump ahead. Anger is a brief madness. Govern your mind, for unless it obeys its commands, a harsh word breaks the heart. A kind word can soothe the savage beast. A word never spoken can bury a burden or save a relationship. The unconscious self is the real genius. Your breathing goes wrong the moment your conscious self meddles with it. There are two persons in the world we never see as they are, one's self and one's other self. I am a complicated person with a simple life, and I am the reason for everything that ever happened to me. There is a different film being made in every mind. And of course, the star of the film is the mind, the personality, the self. You tend to understand yourself a little better after each role you play. There is somewhat of a self-discovery. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.